Hey readers! Last week we learned all about snow leopards, which are certain types of animals that live in really cold weather. I thought since we're in the season of winter, we could read today all about polar bears, another animal that lives in the winter season. So this book is called Polar Bears by Kate Riggs. Hello, polar bears! Polar bears are big bears. They live in cold and icy places. Polar bears have thick fur. It is white, just like the snow and ice. White polar bears have black noses. Polar bears use claws to walk on ice. Polar bears eat meat. They hunt for seals and walruses. So, after I read this book, we're going to be talking about the main idea and 3 key details. So let's pay close attention to some things. I read it kind of fast at the beginning, but readers, you can always go back after you read something because sometimes you just read to read, which is okay, but we want to read for comprehension. We want to read to remember the ideas and the facts and the information that we're learning about in a book. So far, we have learned that polar bears live in cold places. Just going to go back real quick so we can refresh our memory. Okay, they have thick white fur. They have black noses and claws that help them walk on the ice. And they eat walruses and seals. Baby polar bears are called cubs. Cubs live with their mother. Adults live alone. They watch for seals to pop out of the water. It says polar bears like to swim. Goodbye, polar bears. Ooh, this is a diagram, which remember a diagram is a photograph that has a whole bunch of labels that shows the part of the picture. So this is a polar bear and it shows its nose, its teeth. Wow, look how sharp they are. Ear, eye, snout, legs, paw, claw, and fur. And that's the end of the story today. So today we are going to be writing about the main idea of the story. So, what was that story mostly about? What was it mostly about? It was mostly about polar bears. So when we do our writing together, we're going to say the story was mostly about polar bears. Then it says we need 3 key details. All that means is we need 3 facts from the text that tell us a little bit about polar bears. You can pick any 3 that you want. We can go back to the book really quick to look to see what 3 facts we can find. Here's one already. They live in cold places. That's one fact about polar bears. They live in cold places. I think I want to write that they hunt for seals. And then I want to write they like to swim. So let me review my 3 facts again. I said my first fact was going to be they live in cold places. Was my second fact going to be? Sometimes you have to go back in the book and look. Oh, there it was. They hunt for seals and walruses, and then they like to swim. So I'm going to pause this video. and I'm going to write in my main idea and key details sheet, and you can do that with me right now.